So if I were to go around over here onto the user section, you can go around onto the subscribers section right here, and you can see that I have 3 subscribers just like this. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and download these subscribers that are extracted as a separate file. In that case, all you need to do is click on the 3-dot button right here, and here you can see that download subscribers as CSV is an option. If I were to go ahead and click right here, then what happens is that the subscribers list will be downloaded. So let me just go around over here and download it out right here, and the subscribers is downloaded as a CSV file, just like this, as you can see over here. And that is how you can go ahead and download subscribers as a CSV file inside of wordpress.com right here to extract out the subscriber details easily. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.